Good morning, kids, and welcome back to your math class. Today, we will revise the previous classes for your exam purpose, for your formative assessment exam purpose. So, now, first chapter is for your shapes and spaces. From shapes and spaces, the first one you have to learn is inside outside. Inside outside means this shows the position of the object inside or outside the house. I had shown this in your before class while taking a house of a thermocol house I have made, and I have shown you what will be the inside the house and outside the house. So now you know this is the tent. Inside the tent, who is inside the tent? Here, who is inside the tent? Akbar is inside the tent, and this camel is outside the tent. This is the position inside and outside. Outside, inside the tent is the position. So now next, bigger, smaller. This you know, bigger and smaller. Bigger, this is bigger animal, this is smaller animal. Tick the bigger animal. This is bigger, so you can tick. Same, leaf. This is small, this is big. So this is small, so tick to this. Small, this is small animal, this is big animal, so tick to a small animal. Here you have to take a smaller tire. This is a smaller tire, so tick to small one. Okay. Now biggest and smallest. Why biggest? Bigger and smallest. Biggest and bigger. What's the difference? Here are so many objects, but there will be only two. You have to compare only two. So here are so many. So you can compare biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay. Little small. Little bigger than this. This is little. This tree is little bigger than this. This tree is bigger than this tree. Okay. So this is the smallest one. Biggest animal. This is the biggest animal. And smallest fruit. This is the smallest fruit. This is the biggest bubble. Okay. Top, bottom. Top of the sliding. This top of the sliding. This boy is at the top. Top of the tree. Bird is at the top of the tree. And bottom, this cat is bottom of the tree. Okay, and here one more example here, top and bottom. This, see, look at this. This is the top of the this water bottle. This is the top of the water bottle, and this is the bottom of the water bottle. This here same. Draw a star at the top of the tree and a ball at the bottom of. Draw a star. Here you have to draw a star. Why? Because this is the top of the tree, and ball at the bottom of the tree. This is the ball. Okay. Here color the top part of our flag orange. This is top, so you need to color the orange. Bottom part green. Okay. Now you understood the top and bottom. This is the top pot among these pots. This is the bottom part of this. Here is bottom, stairs bottom, and here is stairs top. Nearest and farther. Near and far. This bird is near to the tree, but this is far. This is little far. Same here. Far from the tree. This is far away from the tree. Nearest and farthest. Same here. This is near to the swing. This is a far from the swing. Farthest from the tree. This dog is far. So this tree is near to this bird. On, under, above, below. Now you are going to learn on, under. On. Look at this picture. This glass is on the table, and this bottle is under the table. This is the table. On the table, glass. Under the table, bottle. Okay. Color the mangoes on the tree. On the tree means on the tree. These are the mangoes on the tree, and these are the mangoes under the tree. Here, look at this picture, you will understand. Look at the given picture. Fill in the blanks with on or under. On. The mug is on the mat, and mat is under the mug. Okay, here flowers are on the table. This is the table, but flowers are on the table. These leaves are under the table. Now above, below. Above, the fan is above the boy. Look at this picture. Here fan. Where is the fan? Here. This fan is above this boy. But the boy is below the fan. Below, above. Above, below. Fan is above the boy and boy is below the fan. Here also. Bird is above the tree. Tree is below the. There is a distance. Under and below. Under means on that. There will be no distance. But below there is a distance. Okay. Draw a butterfly above the flowers. Near, far. Near and far. Observe the pictures here. This dog is near this tree, and tortoise is far from this tree. Okay. Near and far. Big and small. Elephant is big than this animal. Okay, but elephant is big animal. This is big. This is small. Cat and rat. Cat is big than the rat. Rat is small than the cat. Cherry is small than the tomato, but tomato is big than the cherry. Now same here. Pencil is big than eraser. Eraser is smaller than pencil. Okay. Less, more. Okay. In this bucket has this much water, and in this bucket this much water, this much level of water. Which has more water? This bucket has more water, and this bucket has less of water. Less water, more water. More, less. Observe these pictures and do as directed. Here also, there are two boxes. This box has more dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this box has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 9. This 5 dots means more, and 5 dots is less. Less dots, more dots. Okay, here mangoes. Count these mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 mangoes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Which is bigger now here? 10. So this is the more number of mangoes. This group has more number of mangoes. Before, after, and between. Look at this picture. I have sent you one video. In that I have shown the pictures of animals. That video this dog, lion and zebra. Dog is before the lion. Dog is before the lion. Lion is before the zebra. And here cat is lion is after the cat and zebra is after the lion. After first is dog, lion, zebra. Between which is the between? Middle, lion. So this is between. Before, after. Before, first this, then this, middle, between, after. Okay. Now you understood? The horse is before the what? Here in this picture, in this picture, horse is before what? Here goat. Okay, horse is before the goat. Goat is before the cow. Goat is after the horse. Cow is after the goat. The goat is between the horse and cow. Same here. This is a truck. Truck is first is truck. After the truck, tempo. After the tempo, car. After the car, scooter. Okay. Before, between and after. Before, between and after. Now here some shapes are given here that you have to round and square. These are the round because this rolls and this will not. This will slide. In the sliding, you all will slide, but the ball will roll, isn't it? So all the round things you have to put in yellow box, and all the sliding you have to put in the pink box. Same here. Okay. Now sorting. Sort the shapes by joining the similar shapes. This is a round, so join to a ball. This is square. Which is square? This gift box is square. This is square. This box is also square. Okay. Now triangle. Birthday cap is in the shape of triangle. Cone is also in the shape of ice cream cone. Ice cream cone is in the shape of triangle. Birthday cap is also in the shape of triangle. Candle is in the shape of rectangle. This. Okay. Make a pair and of a similar shapes. Now same is done here. Cone, ice cream cone and cap. I told you both are same. Ball and tomato. Same. Okay, this and cone. This is same. This and this will be same in rectangle shape. This and this will be same. Water bottle and this shell. This again it will be same. This and this box will be same. This and this will be same. Balloon and watermelon. Okay. Now next rolling and sliding. When you will sit on the sliding, you will roll or slide? You will roll like a ball. Because will you roll like a ball? No. You will slide like a box. Yes or no? How it slides? Box will slides. Yes. And ball will roll. Because it has a round surface. It has a flat surface. Pencil rolls. Ball rolls. This box slides. Onion rolls. Okay kids, I hope you have understood all the things inside, outside on, under, below, above, top, bottom, rolling, sliding, shapes. So many things you have understood. This is just a revision of first some part of the first chapter. So kids, we will meet in our next class. Till that, have a nice day and take care. Study well.